Sir, yes, sir. Sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we are now working with 2D shapes. We are now working with 2D shapes. And yesterday also we did some 2D shape calculations. Okay. So today we will do some more calculations with some more 2D shapes. So let me talk about circle first. Let me talk about circle first. So if you think about a circle, that is also a 2D shape. Okay. So it is not a ball. It is just a flat circle. So if it is a circle, there will be something called center of the circle, right? The point just at the center, that will be the center of the circle, and then the center up to the boundary line. This is called radius. Okay, center up to the boundary line. This is called radius. So this line will be called radius of the circle, right? And radius of the circle, uh, in most of the cases, it is written like R. Say this is R. Okay. So if the radius of the circle is R, then there will be two things. One is the perimeter, another is the area, right? So if you think about perimeter, perimeter of a circle is uh, popularly known as circumference. Okay, in Bengali it is called poridhi. So it is actually perimeter. So what is perimeter? I told you perimeter is actually the boundary line. So there is a formula for perimeter, that means the circumference, and there is another formula for area. So what will be the circumference formula? I am writing here, this is 2 into pi into r. So this is the formula for circumference,
Circumference. Yes, sir.
or you can say perimeter. Okay. The concept is same, just the name is circumference. The concept is exactly same like perimeter. And it is not parameter, okay? It is perimeter, okay? Another formula is area, and the area formula is pi, then r, then square. So, what is pi? Pi is a special number, and the pi value is 3.14.
1.14.
Yes, so you can use 3.14, that will be all right. If you take more digit, okay, that will be also fine. There no problem. But 3.14 is okay. So this is the value of pi. Okay. Now, if you know what is the radius, if you know how big is the radius, then you can find out the perimeter and you can find out the area. That is not a big problem. Just the formula you apply and do the calculation and the answer will come. Very, very simple thing, right? So say for example, this radius is, say for example, this radius is 3.5 3.5 centimeter. Say I am giving you one example, it is 3.5 centimeter. So area and perimeter of this circle, how you will find? You can write circumference, that is the perimeter. If you write perimeter also, no problem. Just you understand these are two different names. That's all. So in this case, it will be 2 into 3.14 into 3.5, and answer will be something like uh,
21.99.
21.99. Okay, good. So it is 21.99. And what will be the unit? Centimeter. How do you know it is centimeter? Because it is given in the question, centimeter, right? So is it centimeter square? No, no, it is not centimeter square. Why not? Because circumference is the boundary line. This is just one dimensional. Just how long it is, that's all. How long. So it is a distance, it is a length. That is why only centimeter, no square, no cube. Okay. And another thing is area. So how you will calculate the area? You will apply pi r square formula. So it will be 3.14 into 3.5 square. So 3.5 square means 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, very simple. 3.5 into 3.5.
465.
What is that?
38.46.
38.65.
465.
465.
465. Okay.
Centimeter.
So let me write 465, and that will be centimeter square. So it will be 465, and the unit will be centimeter square, because this is area, this is 3.5 square, this is centimeter square. It is two-dimensional. It has to be square. It has to be square. So is this okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir,
Okay, good.
Sir, I have a
radius means
Yes.
question.
dash. In Bangla called it dash.
Bash is diameter. Okay. Radius is basher
ব্যাসার্ধ
অর্ধেক.
ব্যাসার্ধ স্যার
Yes. Okay.
Bashar.
ব্যাসার্ধ
Bash,
স্যার
bash is diameter. That means the full length. Full length is called diameter. That is called diameter. Radius is half of diameter. Radius is what? Radius is actually, this is actually half of diameter. So diameter is the full line and radius is the half.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
May I ask you?
Yes, sure.
Sir, I wanted to know that the two formula we have to apply in one math or different math.
Which two formula?
Sir, the parameter and the area of circle.
Not parameter, perimeter.
Perimeter. I'm sorry, sir. Perimeter.
Okay, so perimeter কোনটা? Which one is perimeter? ছবিতে কোনটা perimeter? আমাকে বলো।
Sir, the circle is the perimeter.
Circle তো লাইনটা, হ্যাঁ, তাহলে
Sir, the outside.
outside. Okay, and what is the area?
Sir, the area is the inside of the circle.
তুমি তো জানোই, তো দুইটার জন্য দুইটা ফর্মুলা লাগবে না, একটা দিয়ে তুমি দুইটা
Oh,
কেমনে
okay,
বের
okay.
করবে?
Okay, sir. Okay.
You got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
একটা হচ্ছে তোমার বাড়ির চারদিকে বেড়া দিবা, আরেকটা হচ্ছে ভিতরে কতটুকু জায়গা। সো দুইটা তো দুইটা জিনিস, দুই রকম ব্যাপার। Okay, so you have to use two different formula for perimeter, for area. Which one you will apply? That depends on the question, what you are doing actually. So you check the question, what is being asked in the question, then you will decide. In one question maybe you need to apply perimeter, another question you need to apply area. So what is the question? You check this carefully, then use the formula. So this is the circle formula. Is this okay now?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, good. So now let me show you some of the combined questions. So combined questions like I want to tell you, say question number 1, find the area as shaded in the following figures. Okay, so you will find the area, okay, in the following figures. That means I will give you more than one question. So let me give you one question, like it is question number 1 and it is question number 2. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 figures. So I will now mix up with some of the things, like say I'm having a rectangle, okay, and at the same time I am having a circle also. So the circle is here like this, okay. Circle is here like this, okay, and there is nothing here. There is nothing here. So this is the shape I am giving you, okay, and I am giving you the distance or length, like it is 5 inches in this side and 8 inches in this side, up to this, okay, up to this it is 8 inches. So there is a circular part in the right side, and I am talking about the find the shaded part. That means the full part is shaded here. So you will find the area of the shaded part. Okay, it is the easiest one. So let me give you one more question, that is 3 question, and that one is the number 1. And now I am giving you second question. So the second question is, say something with triangle. Say something with triangle. Okay, and there is another thing linked with this. এটা তো আবার আচ্ছা তাহলে okay. Let me take another technique here. Say this is the figure, okay, and I'm giving you the distance. It is 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter, and this is also 3. All are 3 centimeter. Everyone is equal. Okay, everyone is equal. So I am now shading the part, like this whole part I want to know. And let me give you another question, that is with a Okay. The third one is with a trapezium. I mean, one part is trapezium and the other part is different. Say it is like a circle added maybe. It is, yeah. So in this case, I will take the inner one. I will take the inner one. So I will actually take the shaded part as this side only. Now what to do? Okay, I will give you the numbers also. What are the numbers here? Say this one is 7 feet. This side is 7 feet. This is also 7 feet. And it is 5 feet. And it is 9 feet. So what will happen now? How you will do all this? So let me show you one by one. Okay, let me show you one by one. Think about the first one. Answer 1. So what to do here? You will think that this is actually two things together. So one thing is the rectangle, another part is the half of the circle. Another part is what? Another part is actually the half of the circle. So if you have circle formula, then you can easily find out what is the half of circle. That is not a big problem. Do you understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, the full circle was like this, but we are not taking full circle. We are taking full rectangle and then half of the circle. So you write part by part. Okay. Area of rectangle part. It is a part. So I am writing rectangular part or rectangle part. Okay. So what will be the part area? It will be something like length into breadth. So it will be 8 into 5 and the answer is 40. It is inch square. So this is first part, finish. Now for the circular part, you need to find the half of the circle. So formula is pi r square and half of the circle will be just half of pi r square. And what is the radius here? What is the radius of the circle? Who can say what is the radius of this circle?
2.5.
5.
2.5, yes. So how can you find out 2.5? Because this side is 5, so this side is also 5, right? Right side is also 5. So the diameter is 5. So radius will be 5 by 2, half of 5. So it will be 2.5 inch. And if you know the circle, so you can find out the area of half circle. So area of, you can write half circle because we are not taking the full. So area of half circle will be half then pi r square. Half then pi r square. So what is pi, what is r? You already know. So that will be half into 3.14, and then r square means 2.5 square. So it will be something like
9.82.
9 point, yes, 9 point what?
82.
9.82 inch square. It is square. Okay. The radius is not square, only inch. Area is square. So you now add together. What are the things? This is one part and this is one part. So you add together. So you will write area of the shaded region, shaded figure, area of the shaded figure, okay, or shaded region of the figure, okay. So what will be the answer? 40 plus 9.82. So that will be inch square. That will be inch square. So 49.82 inch square. So this is your answer. Okay. Now think about question number 2. What to do with question number 2? How can you find this out? Is this okay? Can you do this?
So square.
Yes, sir.
Everyone can do this.
Yes,
There is
sir.
also two part. One part is a rectangle, triangle. Another part is a square.
Square.
So is it possible to find out that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there will be no problem. In the question, I have written only the area. I have written only the area. If I if I write perimeter also, then what to do? If I give you area and perimeter, then how can you answer question number 1? What will be the perimeter of 1? You understand my question?
So in circle, half only
Half
pi.
of 2 pi r.
So only pi r.
Yes. Yes, you are right. So half of 2 pi r, that means only pi r. So this part, only this part, that is half of the circumference will be half of 2 pi r. That means 2 cancel. So pi r. So you can find this out. And then this part is what? 8. So you will write plus 8, and this part is 5. So you will write plus 5, and the lower part is another 8. So you will write plus 8. That's it. Okay. So 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus pi r. That will be the perimeter.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand or not? For the first question, perimeter, it is not written in the question, but if I give the question like that, then you will say perimeter is 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus pi into r. So you will calculate pi into r. 8 plus 5 plus 8 will be 21, and then pi into r will be 3.14 into 2.5. So the answer will come. Is that okay? Do you understand this?
28.85.
Okay. So yes. Is that okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let
Yes,
me
sir.
go to the second question. If it is okay, then fine. I will go to the third question. What do you think? Second question, you can do it yourself.
Yes, sir.
Anyone has problem? Okay, so let me do it quickly. Second question. I'm not writing all details. I'm just doing it quickly. Okay. So square area is just 3 into 3. That's all. Okay, it is 9 centimeter square. And triangle area is root over 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 2. 3 plus 3 plus 3 by
Sir,
2.
4.5.
That is your S. So you will write 4.5, then 4.5 minus 3, another 4.5 minus 3, another 4.5 minus 3. So it is actually 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and 4.5. So all together it will be what? Can you do it? Somebody can do it? So who has got the answer? Somebody has got the answer
Sir, 9.75.
after doing root over.
No, sir.
So after root over
3.89.
3.89. So it is 3.89 centimeter square. So the area final, that is your answer. The answer will be 9 plus 3.89, and it is 12.89 centimeter square. So this is your answer. Finish. What will be the perimeter of this case? What will be the perimeter? The perimeter in this case will be just the boundary line. So there is no formula. So what to do? You will add this 3 plus another 3 plus another 3 plus another 3 plus another 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 threes. All are 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 15, it is centimeter, not square. Perimeter is boundary line. It is not square. It is only centimeter. So this is your answer. That is the perimeter answer. And area. Is it okay? Now, second question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us go to the third one. Third one is also with two parts, and in that two parts actually you need to use what trapezium and circle. Okay, so trapezium and circle. So in this case you will use trapezium. So what is the trapezium? 7795. This is the trapezium actually. The right side is 90 degree. Right side is straight 90 degree. But it is trapezium because left side is not parallel. So the upper one and the lower one are parallel, but left and right, they are not parallel. So left side is 7, right side is 5, and upper side is 7, lower side is 9. They are we call parallel. So parallel, you can sometimes you can see this is arrow mark, arrow mark. So if you see arrow, arrow, then they are parallel lines, right? So what will be the area for the trapezium part? So you write area of trapezium shape. Okay, that is trapezoidal part. You can write trapezoidal also or trapezium. Area of trapezium shape is, in this case, the formula is half into
Half into A plus B.
A plus B. So what is A, what is B?
7 A and
7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. So which 7 we are taking here? The left side or upper side?
upper side.
Upper side.
side.
Upper side. Okay, be careful. This 7 is not the left side 7. It is actually upper side. Okay.
Into
So
distance between two parallel lines. 7.
yes. So what is the distance?
7.
No,
5.
5.
5.
5 is the distance. Not distance is not like this. Distance is straight cut. Okay, straight distance, 90 degree distance. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. So straight distance will be taken. So it will be 16 by 2, 8 and 5. So it is 40, and the unit will be square foot. Unit will be square foot. Okay. So this is done. This is first part. Second part is the circle. So you will write area of the half circle. Area of half circle. So what is the half circle formula? You already know. And what is the radius? That thing you need to understand. What is the radius? It is not given directly. So it is again 2.5. So it will be half into pi r square, and in this case it is half into 3.14 into r means 2.5. Why 2.5? Because it is half of 5. It is half of 5. So it is 2.5 square. So you now calculate what is the area here. So what is the area you are getting? What is the area you are getting?
9.82.
9.82. Okay, fine, no problem. I'm writing 9.82 square foot. Again, the same thing, SQFT. Now, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? That is the area of the shaded part. What will be the answer? Is it plus?
No, sir.
So it will be minus. Area of the shaded part or shaded region. So you want only the shaded part. So that will be minus. That will be 40 minus 9.82. And it is square feet, of course. So 40 minus 9.82, it will be
30.18.
30.18 square feet. That will be the answer. Okay, so this is done. And again, in the same way, what will be the perimeter of this? shaded part. What will be the perimeter of this shaded part? That means boundary line of the shaded part. So you start from here and then you go like this. So it is 7, right? 7. And then plus another 7. Okay. So 7 plus 7 and then 9, right? 7 plus 7 plus 9. So you write here 7 plus 7 plus 9. And what is the other side?
5.
No, not 5, not 5. This is not the shaded part. This is the shaded boundary.
9.
This is the shaded boundary.
9.82.
Sir, minus
না মাইনাস কেন করবা? তুমি তো বাউন্ডারি বেড়া দিতেছো, তোমার এখানে তো জায়গাই নাই। You do not have this place. তাহলে তুমি বেড়া দিবা কেমনে? তুমি তো বেড়া দিবা এখানে। You have the shaded part. You have the land and this is the shaded part. You have this land. So you will give the boundary area. So it will be what? Half of 2 pi r. Again it is half of 2 pi r.
Sir, the
You
result will
understand?
be 7.854.
You understand this thing?
Sir, pi r.
Yes, pi r. So you calculate pi into r. So it will be 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus pi into r. So it is 23 plus 3.14 into r means 2.5. So the final answer will be what?
30.85.
Sir, 30.824.
Okay, 30.85 and it is foot, only foot, not square. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we have done 2D calculations and in the next class I will show you the 3D calculations. Okay, that is the volume of some of the shapes. Okay, so let me talk a little about the 3D shapes. What are the names? Okay, let me only give you the names today. Okay, I have few more minutes. So let me give you the name of the shapes only. So these are the 3D shapes. Okay, and there are 3 types of things. One is called prism, another is called pyramid, another is okay, another is cone, and then cylinder. Maybe I told you already, right?
Yes, sir.
So you already know.
Yes, sir.
Maybe not necessary, right? তাও বলে ফেলি, এখন একটু বলতে ইচ্ছে করছে জন্য। Okay, so you already know. So the prism is the lower part, that is the floor and the top. The floor and the top will be same. Okay, floor and the top will be exactly same. Okay, this is called prism. So you have the same floor, same roof, same floor, same roof, and then all other lines are just joined together. So that will be the prism. So this is the line, and this is the line, and this is the line, and this is the line. So it is called prism. You understand what I say? You
Yes,
can
sir.
you can have sorry, any floor. You can have any floor. Say pentagon is the floor. Possible. So same pentagon is the roof. Same same pentagon is the roof, and then you have all the lines joined, all the corners joined like this. So that will be called prism. That will be called prism. Is this okay? Do you understand prism?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is called prism. You can have any shape in the lower part and in the upper part. Any shape. Triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, any shape, anything possible. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So the pyramid will be one shape in the floor, and there will be a point. There will be a point as the top. There will be one single point, and all corners will be added with that point. Okay, like that. From that point, all will be added together. So one single point. All the corner will be added to one single point. This is called pyramid. It is called pyramid. So the floor can be any shape. Floor can be any shape. Floor can be triangle, rectangle, okay, anything possible. Just from one point, all the lines will come to the corners. So one single point will be at the top, and you have the pyramid. This will be called pyramid. Okay. So if you think about cylinder and cone, these are exactly like prism and pyramid. So cylinder will be like prism, and pyramid will be like cone. So cylinder, prism similar, and pyramid, cone similar. Only difference is the baseline is a circle. Baseline is a circle. That's all. So if you have circle in the base and single point in the top, this is called cone. Only one point in the top, and there is a circle in the base. It is called cone. And cylinder is like a prism. The roof, the top is a circle, and also bottom is another circle. So the same circle at the top, same circle at the bottom. So you have the lines side by side, and that will be cylinder. So this is like a cylinder, like a pipe, okay, like a bottle, something like this. This is called cylinder. And sphere is different. Sphere is just a football, just a round shape, 3D, round shape, 3D. So this is the sphere. That's all. Okay. So it is the understanding, and if you know the thing, then you will easily understand the formula. So the similar formula, or you can say same formula will be for pyramid and cone, because they are same in the shape. Okay, and the same formula will be for prism and cylinder, because they are also same in the shape. Prism and cylinder will have same formula, volume formula, exactly same formula. Okay, so this is the idea. And the different formula for sphere, because it is not like any other one. It is different. Okay. So in the next class, I will talk about formula for volume. Pyramid cone will be similar formula. Prism cylinder will be similar formula. And sphere is different formula. So I will talk about that in the next class. Let me stop our class here. Is that okay? Anyone has any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.